What's up guys, welcome to the Flutter Tutorial Series and welcome to my YouTube channel Let's Mobile Development. My name is Zubair Ahmed and my job will be to simplify the mobile application development for you guys, and I will try my best to make you understand that how easy it is to develop mobile applications, especially on Android and using Flutter. But this tutorial series is related to Flutter only, and we will learn how we can easily get started with Flutter development and how easily we can set up its environment on our local machines. So um, let me show you the today's agenda for this episode 1. So in today's episode we will learn what Flutter is and how to set up Flutter on your OS machines. um, we will jump on to flutter.dev, which is their official documentation site. From there we will get to know how we will get started in a bit. Uh, Also, we will create a new project and run it on virtual device if applicable. Otherwise, we will continue this in episode 2 because I want all these episodes or all these tutorial series uh, per video as short as possible so that you won't get bored. Um, you know, so here is my GitHub page as well. You can see I have already created a repo named as Flutter Design Learning, in which I have um, covered all the design aspects, not all the design aspects, but few of the design aspects which we will learn in this tutorial series as well, that how I made this. You can see the screenshots on both iOS and Android, and yeah, quite a short documentation, but you would understand step by step. I will give my GitHub link in the description as well. You can go there and you can clone or download this project. Also, you can give it a star and forget whatever you want. So we will just jump over to flutter.dev. Here, as you can see, their official documentation site. There you can see their docs link and as well as get started button. So we will start from get started button, but first let's stick on to the agenda. So first one is what Flutter is. I will explain it in very short because you might have heard about Flutter, that it is developed by Google, and it is a one platform which is which in which you can write a single code base and you can run on multiple platform like iOS, Android, desktop, and web. So it is uh, a lot easier to develop mobile applications and web applications on a single inside a single project. So we will learn this from time to time, and we will look into it, that how easy is to develop mobile applications and of course web and desktop applications on Flutter. But for now our focus will be to develop applications on iOS and Android from single code base using Flutter. So let's jump on to get started button. If you click on it, you will see the install page, that how you will install the Flutter SDK on your local machine, which is our second point, that how to set up Flutter on your OS machine. So there are three options: Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. And my operating system is Mac, so I will choose Mac. And it's not very difficult to, if I go to Windows install, it's very easy, and it's almost a same setup for all the OS machines because they have provided their zip file in which their whole GitHub project is available, and you just have to place it somewhere in your machine, and that folder would be your Flutter SDK. So it's very easy to integrate. So I will choose Mac OS, and as I have already downloaded this zip file, so it's very simple. If I go here, you can see here is my Flutter project.